When I was 7 years old, I moved from Washington, D.C. area to Knoxville, Tennessee. I moved from a neighborhood that over 250 houses to one that had 19 houses. But of those 19 houses, there were 47 kids. The 47 kids have gone on to become titans in business, education, veterinarians. It's unbelievable how they have all become so successful. One is an architect, the principal of a firm in Nashville that builds hospitals, plural. One is the business owner of one of the largest convention display manufacturers in the country. The list goes on and on. We owe it all to our parents, also veterinarians, professors, 5 different teachers, 3 professors, business owners, civil engineers. We owe it all to our parents. Probably the youngest of those 47 kids was David Henderson. He is the senior pastor of Lifestyle Church in Charlotte, North Carolina. David makes several trips to Ethiopia. Not only has he adopted 9 children from Ethiopia, I think there's a special place in heaven for him, but he also digs wells in Ethiopia. He takes teams with him and digs wells. I'm sorry, I usually can't get through this story at this point, but the village mayor came up to David and said, "David, where the wells have been dug, the sickness and the dying have stopped." I'm sorry. Let me say that again. The sickness and the dying have stopped. I never think twice when I turn on the faucet and running water comes out. These people don't even have water. What if that was my children? What if that was my family? And they don't even have water. I think we can do even better. The power of those 47 kids who are architects and veterinarians, doctors, lawyers, I think we can do better. I think we can come together and help make this world a better place.